Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be learning about how to greet in Japanese.
I'm a fool for your love.
How do you say good morning in Japanese?
So, good morning in Japanese is Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
People sometimes shorten it to Ohayo.
Okay, Ohayo.
Ohayo. Ohayo gozaimasu is complete sentence, but Ohayo is short sentence people usually use.
Okay, sometimes I hear people say Ohayo gozaimasu ka.
Ohayo gozaimasu ka.
Yes. What's the difference?
I don't think people say Ohayo gozaimasu ka.
Really?
Ohayo gozaimasu. Genki desu ka? Maybe people say genki desu ka, but I don't think people say Ohayo gozaimasu ka. Ohayo gozaimasu ka.
Okay. So what's the difference between that and the other one that you said?
Ohayo gozaimasu and Ohayo is just it's shortened. Ohayo gozaimasu is very polite. It's just full sentence. Then Ohayo is shortened word.
Okay. Alright, next, how do you say good afternoon in Japanese?
So good afternoon in Japanese is konbanwa.
Okay. And good night in Japanese?
Good night is oyasumi.
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 Oyasumi. Okay, how do you say hello in Japanese?
Hello is hi. Maybe it's a kind of same way as English people hi or konnichiwa, hello.
Okay.
No special Japanese way to say hi. Just we usually say hi.
Okay. How do you say nice to meet you?
That's when I meet the person I've never met, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, people usually say hajimemashite. Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
Yeah. Not it's ha.
Ha.
Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
Yeah, that's right.
Hajimemashite. Nice to meet you. Okay, next. How are you? How do you say that in Japanese?
How are you in Japanese is genki desu ka?
Genki desu ka? Genki desu ka?
Genki desu ka? Yeah, that's right.
I'm fine. How do you say that in Japanese?
Genki desu is I'm fine. So,
Genki desu ka? How are you? Genki desu. I'm fine.
Yeah, how are you? I'm fine is genki desu ka? Genki desu.
Okay. How do you say I'm not so fine?
Usually people say ammari. Ammari genki janai. So genki is the word fine. So when people say I'm not fine, genki janai, it's I'm not fine.
Genki
Janai.
janai. Genki janai. I'm not fine. Okay, how do you say what's your name?
What's your name is namae wa nan desu ka?
Namae wa nan desu ka? Namae wa?
Namae is name, and nan desu ka is asking what is that? So what's your name is namae wa nan desu ka?
Namae wa nan desu ka?
Yeah.
Okay. And I know I'm watashi wa Sashoni desu.
Yeah, that's right. So watashi wa I'm Mitsuaki, so watashi wa Mitsuaki desu, or watashi wa Sashoni desu.
Okay. So is there any other way to say my name is, or that's the only way? Watashi wa Sashoni desu.
I think that's the only way. People, yeah, that's the only way.
Okay. I've seen where people say, for example, Sashoni desu. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. You don't actually need to say watashi wa is my name. So people know even if you don't say my name is hi Sashoni, then fine people understand like they're saying like their name. So
Okay. What else? Alright,
and greetings.
okay.
Not really.
I'm trying to remember because I know I should have added some more, but I can't remember. My greetings. Okay, so let's practice to see if I remember. Alright, so what time of day is it? It's afternoon. So, konbanwa.
こんばんは。
konbanwa. Watashi wa Masashoni desu.
That's right. Great.
I'm trying to remember what it. How are you? I don't remember.
How are you is 元気ですか?
Genki desu ka? Genki desu ka?
で元気です。
Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Anything you have to say?
Alright, okay, see ya.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.